guys, this is Lynn from Pepper Pigs. Today I have a Temu haul. And so I'm sure that with the holidays coming up, all of the orders are, everybody's just trying to get all of the orders shipped, delivered to us as quickly as possible. And so today I just received this literally out of the mail. So I figured, you know what, let me go ahead, film this because I'm trying to get caught up too, okay? So as you know, you can tell, I have no idea. Honestly, I'm almost forgetting what it was I ordered. To be honest, I'm almost really. Oh, okay, now I see. Hold on a second. Okay, now I got it. So as I'm filming, I will make every effort to put the price of each item based upon what I paid for it at that time. But you all know, like I know, prices fluctuate. And so I cannot guarantee that if you go back out onto Temu and look for these things, that they'll be there at that particular price. So I got 2 packages of these ink pads that go at the bottom of our wooden handler that we use to do stamping and distressing. There's like 100 in each pack. So this was really, to me, it really was a good bargain because I go through these quite quickly. I love dainty things, and I just love how this stamp look. And so these are cute because if you see on the back, well, I turn it over so you can see it. They're very floral and ornate, and I just love stuff like this. I just think that it's so lovely. I love that. I got some stamp dies. Here's one of them. Here is another set, and I know I had another one. I know I have another set up. I know I have another set upstairs in my book, but because I'm working with different things like everybody else, I just want to have a variety of things. So then I got this Rosette little die cut. I have not made any of these, but I've got to play around with doing these because I just think they look so lovely. And I have looked at multiple videos like Stays. She makes the most beautiful rosettes. And I just thought this was so adorable. So I had to get something to try to work on doing it myself with some of the things that I'm doing. So here's one of them that I got. Here's another one that I got. I think this is this Alina? Yeah, Alina's. This is nice. Here's another one from Alina too. I think this is pretty. This is really pretty. Wow. Okay. Here is another stamp die cut that I got. Also, here's another one of the little movie theater ticket dies that I got. Here's another set of the rosettes. I'm going to take these out. Well, you can see it on the side. Here's another set of the little rosette dies that I got. I guess you guys say, oh gosh, she went crazy with it. No, I didn't. I just wanted to have a variety. You know, I love my stencils. So I wanted something where I could put some of the numbers in pleather. Here's another set of dies. You know, I don't know if these are emulated off of someone else's collection. I don't know. But this is a nice set, and they're not little or flimsy at all. Here, I got a couple of packages. These are stuck on together. Hold on. Wow. Okay. Here's another stamp that I got. This is nice. I like the world theme. This is cool. I love this a lot. Okay. There's a little confusion going on because I couldn't tell if it was one stamp or another one stuck to the other side or just what. I couldn't tell. Here are a set of stickers that I got. I think these are washi stickers. Let's see here. These are pretty too. Or they were pretty to me when I saw them. Nice. Yeah, these are washi stickers. These are nice. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I don't know which way that goes. Oh, well, it's lovely. and this one. I think this is cute. I got 2 packages of these because I really wasn't certain as to how they were going to be. Put them back in the package. All right. Okay. So like I said, I got 2 packs of those. And then I went back down the road of the postcard packages. Let's see how these turn out. Oh, these are cute. So there's 2 of these. Let me go back. Are these the same? Nope, these aren't the same, but okay. These 2 are. This is nice. These are pretty. I like these. Okay. A lot of times when I take and purchase cards like this, I will use them as fillers, or I will do a little rip and tear and distress them on the side and include them in a different package. This is pretty. This is really cute. Nice. I'm pleased with this. These are nice. Another thing I love too about these is that the weight of them is worth the money. I mean, we're not paying that much for them in the first place, but still, the weight of them is very nice. And then I got this package. These are nice of the birds. Looks like a repeat I'm seeing. Looks like a couple of repeats. Maybe I got 2 packages of these. I don't know. I'm starting to feel like I got 2 packages of the same package. I'm thinking that might be what it is. And if it is, yeah. And if it is, I'm okay. Yeah, that's what I probably did. Yep. I got 2 packages of the same thing. And I'm all right with that. I really am. Yep, I'm all right with that. So this is not a large gathering of items, but these are things that I knew moving forward I would like to have because I'm going to need them, especially these. This is such a good deal, especially these. And then these stamps, these dies are just phenomenal. I like this. I like these a lot. So that is going to conclude this haul. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to tune in to Paper Peace, and I look forward to seeing you again. And most importantly, be safe, have a wonderful Monday day, and take care.